Alright guys, welcome back to Studio Ray. Here I got another unboxing. Just received this from Amazon. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got today. Alright. ECOVACS Robotic DEEBOT. Alright. I picked this up on Amazon. They had a special going on. Always wanted one of those small, more controlled vacuum cleaners, and this one was at a reasonable price. I put a link on like how much it was on Amazon. So something that I wanted to pick up a long time ago, but I couldn't see myself spending $400 for something. But the price came down tremendously, and I said, let me jump on it now. So let's take a look how it looks. Alright, it's a box within a box. Alright, so as you can see, I have the DEEBOT N79. Alright, so this is how it comes, very packaged. Let's open it up and see how it looks, guys. Alright, here you go. Your manual. Your padding. You have your remote control. You have your cable for your charging. And you have the device itself. Your clean. Oh, there it is, guys. Alright, never had one of these before, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it all set up and get it plugged up, and once I get it all set up, guys, I'll come back and let you know how it looks. But right now, you know, it's well, but looks like it's well packed. I picked this up for about like $180, I believe. As you know, these things can go up $200, $300, $400. So I always wanted one. I wanted something nice and light I could put in my bedroom to help, you know. So I'm glad I got it. Let's see. Let's put it together. Once it's all set up, I'll come back and let you know how's it been doing. Alright? So it's just a quick unboxing. Let you see what's in the box. Once I get it all set up and figure out how it works, I'll post that in another video and let you know my experience on it.
I've been running
this is the
DEEBOT N79 for 2 days now, and this is what they're picking up off my floor. So I believe this thing is really doing its job. All right, I never knew I had this much dust on my floor, and by looking at my floor, you know, if you just eyeballing it, you think it's clean, but I must give a thumbs up to this this robot, so DEEBOT. I'm glad I got it. I got an excellent deal. Only paid about $170 for it. It was on a quick sale or one of those specials that Amazon's running, so I couldn't resist. And I must say, this thing is impressing me. It's been getting a lot of good reviews online, so if you're considering picking one of these up, I highly recommend it. As you can see, I have it set up. It's on its charger now in the corner. Just like any type of auto like vacuum cleaner, you got to make sure your floors are clear of wires and other things. Sometimes you got to help it along or pick up certain things so it can do its job. All right. What I like about this unit is that you can program it at certain times. So I try to program it like 12 at night when kids are already in bed, or in the mid-afternoon when the kids are outside. Let it do its job. Again, it doesn't replace sweeping and cleaning, but it just helps you with the maintenance of the house and the floors. So I must say, I'm very impressed with it, and I definitely gives it a thumbs up. So if you guys consider picking this thing up, I highly recommend it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. There's another video from Boys and Their Toys, Studio Ray. All right, like, subscribe, peace out.